How to sort an array in Java. Well, do you want to sort out all of your arrays in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. Now, here we are specifically doing it with Arrays.sort. Now, you need to just pass your array and it sorts it in ascending order. Here, we have 5, 2, 8, 1 and 3 under integer norms, and this is an array right here. Now, once we use the arrays.sort, it simply becomes 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. That's it. Super simple and easy. We have used arrays.sort, and inside the parentheses we have used the text that defines the numbers, that is nums. Now you can just simply print out the nums right here and you should be good. And that's it. Now you can just run it up to simply check the code and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.